We have a Bob Revolution SE stroller here, and I had replaced this top canopy part because this is an older model, 2012, and it was pretty faded and stretched out, and it wouldn't actually go down all the way anymore. And then this little metal rod that's in here was sticking out and poked through there. So I replaced that, but in doing so, I ended up snapping off this guy. I tried to glue it back, but you know how that goes. Not so well. So I ended up buying another piece to replace that. I got it for $20 on the eBay. Another used part because it's a used chair or bob and doesn't really matter. It needs to match the other side. It'd be weird if it had a brand new piece on one side, I guess. Anyway, I'll show you how I'll replace this. We'll go from the inside. We'll take out this one screw that goes there, and it's hidden underneath this area. So we'll remove that screw and get to it. And then on this side, there's a screw in here, or an Allen wrench actually, and take that out, and then it loosens that bolt, and then that comes out. So we'll go through that real quick. Okay. Got it out. This goes in like this. This is how it's held in. So we'll just put everything back the way you saw. Alright, now that we got that one in, we'll move to the inner one. So this one requires, so this guy uses the 4mm Allen wrench, and then this other one on the outside is a 5mm. Forgot to mention that earlier. So we put this into the hole. And we'll go back. And here we'll put these on. And then it's all good as new. Take that off. All done.